The internet was born to be decentralized. The core order of the internet, its use, was open source. Anyone with a computer and a phone line could connect to someone else with a computer and a phone line and trade zeros and ones. Connections with thousands of servers plus thousands more servers, multiplied by thousands of computers after a period of time, created the internet. I agree the internet is definitely the greatest technological revolution mankind has ever seen. But my question here is, are you ready to bring back the decentralization factor of the internet? If yes, then that's what I'll be sharing with you today. Hi there, I'm Darren Wheatley from 4EVERLAND. In today's video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know to understand the new internet, Web 3.0, and how the 4EVERLAND team can help you rebuild the web's foundation layer and transition smoothly to the new unbiased Web 3.0. You know what the secret sauce of the current internet is, i.e. Web 2.0? It's instantaneous, which is also one of its biggest flaws. You see, Web 2.0, the current internet, was built to connect, not to last. There is nothing permanent about the current internet. You see, Web 2.0, the current internet, was built to connect, not last. There's nothing permanent about the current internet. This is starting to become a big problem. If we are not careful, it could bring the entire internet down and affect history as we know it. There will be no records to track down, as it is entirely centralized and controlled by megacorporations' servers that have the sovereignty to hold, sell, edit, or manipulate, and even shut down our data and censor and ban our speech. These things are happening right now and will only get worse over time. What we need today is a technology that is open, decentralized, searchable, resistant to change, and hack-proof. 4EVERLAND believes that blockchain technology, along with open protocols such as IPFS or interplanetary file system, can solve the current problems. Web 3.0, the next generation intranet infrastructure, is honest, reliable, and makes it more transparent and decentralized. The core of decentralization is that no one person or organization has power or control over a platform. Today, most platforms control or impose limits on where content should be hosted and owned. Nevertheless, at 4EVERLAND, we wanted to take a different outlook by magnifying distribution and giving control back to its creators and users. The possibilities are endless. With the help of blockchain and IPFS, you can now store your music, photos, videos, paintings, medical records, finances and DeFi permanently, and even track your presidential voting processes, and is now more transparent. But how? By decentralizing the internet, you can back up and track every step as it is permanently stored, tamper-free, in a storage-based blockchain, where thousands of users or nodes back up your data at the same time. I know this might sound complicated or confusing, so let me break it down in some simple terms for you. Let's think about how life is today and how it revolves so much around the internet. We start our day by browsing through some social media platforms. We use mobile applications for dating, banking, shopping, playing games, even booking taxis. Now imagine if all of this is shut down, or you experience some data breaches, or get a 404 while browsing the web. Now imagine companies tracking your web searches and targeting only certain ads to appear repeatedly so that you make a purchase. Now let us imagine bank accounts under centralized control shutting down your access during times of volatility, extreme inflation, or other political unrest. Is this a healthy internet? No, it's not. It's not healthy, it's scary. The truth of the matter is, these things are already happening and will only get worse over time. That's why Web 2.0 needs to be replaced by its smarter and fairer sibling Web 3.0, as it will overcome the very issue of security and privacy and help nurture a healthy and balanced internet. Web 3.0 not only returns control back to its users, which means users will be able to access data from anywhere, but also focuses more on interactions and limits and controls users' content. It turns the web into a big database and focuses on organizing data in a meaningful way, keeping the data secure and private by using advanced cryptographic technologies. As the next generation internet paradigm, Web 3.0 brings us freer, fairer, and more open internet. Web 3.0 is a decentralized, high-performance-based, equal, and trustworthy network. Decentralized Web 3.0 proposes to enhance the internet by adding a few characteristics like being verifiable, self-governing, permissionless, distributed, privacy protected, and a robust system. In Web 3.0, developers build and deploy applications, also known as dApps, on blockchains with the help of peer-to-peer nodes acting as servers in a decentralized network. Cryptocurrency or financially incentivized tokens are provided to network participants or developers for creating, governing, contributing to, or improving projects. This way the data is more open or honest, untarnished, completely public, and transparent. We at 4EVERLAND provide a distributed, highly efficient, self-motivated, and low-cost data hosting gateway based on the fundamental technologies of Ethereum and IPFS. We can help you make that smooth leap from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 and help you store data in a secure way by the decentralization of data through the blockchain technology. Personal information will now no longer be stored in large data centers and the databases of companies, which will drastically decrease the personal data breaches. So we invite, connect, and empower all blockchain developers to reimagine and support the decentralized Web 3.0. Come liberate yourselves from the constraints of centralization. Be a part of the 4EVERLAND community, the unbiased, decentralized Web 3.0. To conclude, the current web needs to be replaced as it is highly centralized and risk-prone. Users are not in control, and the network is also isolated from others. The internet today needs a blockchain technology-powered Web 3.0, as it advocates free identity, free contracts, and open assets. Blockchain provides a perfect solution to Web 3.0 with decentralized addresses as accounts, smart contracts for self-deployment and access, as well as tokens that flow autonomously and frictionless. Do try the 4EVERLAND platform to access your projects faster, prevent storage fraud, and get more efficient content distribution. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned something in the process. I bring brand new videos every single week, so do subscribe to the 4EVERLAND channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.